How to install Metamask and connect it to Opensea. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own brand new crypto wallet using Metamask and then connect it to an NFT marketplace known as Opensea. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to Google and search for metamask.io. Once you search for it, you will get to this platform right here. Metamask is world's famous crypto platform, which is on Ethereum blockchain. You will be able to get your own Metamask extension on Google. And then we can add this wallet to our OpenSea right here. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace. If you are into NFTs, you might know OpenSea and MetaMask works really good with OpenSea. I will show you how to get a wallet and then connect it to OpenSea. That being said, let's start with the process. It's really easy. First of all, once you're right here on metamask.io, what I want you guys to do is click on download option right here, or you can click on download for Chrome. Once you click on download for Chrome, then it will take you to Chrome/extension, and this is where you will get here. We can add it to our Chrome. So the option is available right here, add to Chrome. Click on it. It will check, and now click on add extension. Once you click on add extension, it will just take few seconds to download. You can see right here. So once it's completed, then you will be able to add it to your Chrome. So our extension is downloaded. Let's go ahead and you can see it will open it up now. And I can go to my extensions right here and I can pin it to my bar right here. Let's get started with creating a wallet. So you can see connecting you to Ethereum, click on get started. Now, if you already have a wallet, you can import it to your MetaMask or you can create a brand new wallet. So we're creating a wallet for the first time. Let's go ahead and click on create a wallet. Once you do that, then you will have to agree to some of the terms and conditions. Create a password. All you have to do is just set up a password, 8 characters minimum. I'm gonna go ahead and type in my password that I want to add. So then you will confirm password. Click on I have read and agreed to the terms of use. Click on create and it will just take a second to create your new wallet on MetaMask. Getting a MetaMask is really easy and it literally takes 1 minute. And now we have secure your wallet option. Just click on next and I'm going to click on remind me later. And there you go. This is our wallet that we just created with MetaMask. This is our account and this is a brand new account that I just created. You can see our MetaMask. This is my account info and I will copy this info in order to exchange Ethereum or send money or receive money. This is my main net right here, which is Ethereum in USD. Then we have buy option, send option, swap option. We can change the main nets from here. Right now we are in Ethereum. If I want to add a brand new network, I will click on add network and I will be able to add a network here. I can add network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and add new networks if I want to add, for example, Polygon. So we have Ethereum right here. And now I can deposit money, of course, and I can add funds to my wallet. This is our account right here, and I can log out to my account, create a new account, or import this account as well. I will also be able to access the settings from here. So now we have a MetaMask, and for now, I will not go ahead and add any funds to my MetaMask, and you don't need any funds in your account in order to connect it to OpenSea. Let's move on to OpenSea. Go to opensea.io. This is where you will get. Let's connect our MetaMask that we just created. We have a crypto wallet now. We have an Ethereum wallet. Let's connect it to OpenSea. To connect your wallet, you will find the option right here, which is a wallet icon. Once we click on it, we get a lot of different wallet options. We have a wallet connect, we have MetaMask, we have Coinbase wallet and Phantom. So what I'm going to do is I will select MetaMask and you can see it is one of the popular choice. Click on MetaMask. Once you select MetaMask, it will open it up. You have to connect your OpenSea to MetaMask. Click on next. And now again, click on connect. There you go, connecting. By connecting your wallet, you will be agreeing to terms and services. Just click accept and sign. Once again, you will have to sign in to your wallet and your wallet will be connected to OpenSea. You can see this is my wallet and these are my funds right here. If I want to add funds, I can just click on this option right here, add funds, and I will be able to do so. And this is my MetaMask that we connected. If I want to connect any other wallet, I can just go ahead and add it. If I want to log out of my wallet, I can click on this log out option. Keep in mind that every time you log into OpenSea again, you will have to connect your wallet. If you've done it once, like the process we just did, it was for the first time. If you will be connecting again, then you will not have to sign in again and again. You will just click on the MetaMask and it will get all of your information from your Google account and just sign in. So we have connected our MetaMask. Now we're good to go. I can go ahead and buy, sell, trade NFTs on OpenSea. You can see right here, I will be able to create any NFT if I want to. I can buy NFTs, I can explore the marketplace, and we can go ahead and trade NFTs on OpenSea using our MetaMask wallet. I am explaining, so it takes more than 8 minutes to create a wallet, but when you will be doing it, follow this tutorial and you will be able to create a wallet within minutes and just connect it to your OpenSea and start creating your NFTs. Let's say that I want to create any NFT. I will click on create option right here. And once we click on create, we again sign into our MetaMask wallet. That's important. So you can again sign in, and once you do that, you will be able to mint NFTs on OpenSea. And you can see just with my MetaMask wallet that we just created, I can go ahead and now mint NFTs on OpenSea. I can add PNG, MP4, my NFT art right here, enter the name, and then I can select from the blockchain. So keep in mind that if you're selecting Ethereum blockchain, the network right here on your wallet, you can mint NFT on that network. For example, I have Ethereum network on MetaMask right now, so I cannot select Polygon. You can see if I select Polygon, they say that I will have to change my mainnet on my MetaMask. So I will select Ethereum because I have Ethereum right here. But if you want to add Polygon network on your MetaMask, I showed you earlier, you can add a new network to your MetaMask really easily. You just go to the mainnet and you can add a new network. From here, you can add new network. So change the network and then you will select the blockchain where you want to mint your NFT. Then I will of course enter more information. Similarly, if I go to explore right here, and if I want to buy any NFT, I will be able to buy NFT and through my wallet that I just created. So creating a MetaMask is really important when it comes to using any of the NFT marketplaces. And you can not only connect your MetaMask to your OpenSea, you can also connect it to your Rarible. And then we have Foundation. There are many other NFT marketplaces out there. Make sure it's Ethereum. And if it's Solana, you can of course go with other platforms. Solana is not available on MetaMask. MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet. So OpenSea works on Ethereum, and that is why we can connect our MetaMask to our OpenSea really easily. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create an account on MetaMask, how to get your own Ethereum wallet, and get started with OpenSea Marketplace. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.